Hello viewers, welcome to Elimu TV, the #1 station where you watch and learn. And today I'll be taking you through Mathematics Form 3. Our topic today is Commercial Arithmetics. Our subtopic is Compound Interest. Our subtopic is what? Compound Interest. And this is lesson 31. I'm your tutor, Madam Sandra Awino. Stay tuned. By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to, number 1, describe compound interest. Number 2, calculate compound interest. In our introduction, if a sum is deposited in or borrowed from a financial institution for a period of time, it earns interest. Instead of this interest being paid back to the owner, it's added to the principal. If the interest is added to the principal and thereafter the interest also earns interest, this one is called compound interest. And to find the formula for finding the amount, the formula for finding the total amount is P into brackets 1 plus R over 100 raised to power n, whereby P represents the principal. Do you remember? Principal is the money borrowed, or the money banked. R is the rate of interest and N is the interest period. And then A is the amount, the final amount you pay to the bank when you are borrowing money, or the final amount you get after investing, after deposit your money in the bank. Let's see an example, viewers. Example 1. Find the amount of money after 4 years if shillings 30,000 is invested at 15% per annum. Find the amount after 4 years if shilling 30,000 is invested at 15% per annum. Compound interest. So amount, we've said that amount is equals to what? P in brackets 1 plus R over 100 raised to power n. Our P here is 30,000. Are we together? Can you see? What is our P? 30,000. Good. What is our R? Our R here is the rate. And what value is it? You can see it. It is what? 15%. And our N is what? Our N is 4 years. N we said is the period of time. So N is 4 years. Replacing our values in the formula, we have shilling 30,000 in brackets 1 plus 15 over 100 raised to power 4. So it becomes 30,000 times 1.15 raised to power 4. Our answer becomes 52,417. We've come to the end of our lesson, and you have to remember that for compound interest, the value of amount is equals to P in brackets 1 plus R over 100 raised to power n. I have an assignment for you guys. You have to try this one. A man wants to have 30,000 at the end in 8 years. How much money must he invest? Now, if the rate of interest is 7.5%. So here you can see we are given the amount, and you have been given N, and you have been given R. What are we looking for? We are looking for R. Try that, please. So in reference, you can study KLB Secondary Mathematics, Student Book 3. KLB Secondary Mathematics, Student Book 3. That is the 5th edition. For this and more, viewers, you can contact us through number 1. Our SMS number is 0723 144 259, 0723 144 259. On YouTube through Elimu TV, on Facebook Elimu TV, and on Twitter at Elimu TV _KE.